Hiya crafters, Amy here, and I have a super quick little haul video to share with you today. I got an order from My Favorite Things recently. They had some stellar deals over, Black Friday and Cyber Monday and whatnot, so, they roped me in like they often do. So I'm just going to share what I got with you guys real quick in this little vid. Now in my haste, pulling it out of the packaging, I launched my Jelly Belly. Sadly, I couldn't find it, but they do always come with a little Jelly Belly. Mine is missing in action, and this is what I got. Let's see, we'll go through together. So I got this. This is the Gifts from Santa and the coordinating dies. You guys, I am obsessed with these little Santas. They are so cute. So you get this outline stamp, and then you get all these inner ones. So, like, they're black and white, and then you add these pops of color, and they're just so graphic and cute loving. Cute loving? What am I even saying? Cute looking. Wow. Okay, I apologize if I sound stuffed up. I'm having some allergies right now. But anyway, so we have this little set. Now, I also got dies for these that I already had acquired. We have the Sweet Christmas and the For You from Santa. So it's that same little graphic style Santa. And I got the coordinating dies because they were super mega cheap. So I'm not sure if all of these items are still available. I will link what I got in the video description box below if you expand and scroll down. And if they're still available, then yeah, jump on them because these guys are just so adorable. Anyway, I got this, what is it called? Elegant Folded Banner. Thought this is cool. So these would be like score lines. So it'll cut out this, and then I'm imagining these score lines, you can bend it and then kind of like pop it up. So it'll look like a folded banner. Kind of cool. I don't think I have anything like this, so it's always nice. Oh, this is really pretty. I love me a good floral. This is Wild Poppies. And I love poppies. Look, it's got hello beautiful, missing you, thinking of you. So you can stamp these right in this little banner and use that as your sentiment right on the card. But I got lots of fun ideas like watercoloring this or watercolor brush pens. Lots of cool options with that. Or maybe emboss it and do some shimmer powder. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see me do with this. And then maybe I can turn that into a video. So let me know what you guys think. This is so gorgeous. It's about, let's see, to give you some perspective. Looks like it's about, I don't know, like almost 5 inches long. And let's see, about 3.5 inches wide. So that'll be like very bold in the A2 size format. So that'd be really good for that. And then I got this. This is so cute. It says Big Hugs. So the way I love to do these is like cut a bunch of them out and glue them together to give them some dimension, and then like pop a little critter in the middle, like so that can be like the focal point on the card. You could even make it like a shaker, like surrounding a shaker, or maybe in like a spinner thing, like, I don't know, like Jennifer McGuire did with the snowflake or something, where she kind of spun it around. Maybe you could find a way to make that spin around. I don't know, it'd be fun. But I do have a happy birthday one of these, so I think this Big Hugs one is really cool. So it's called Big Hugs Circle Frame. And then last but not least, I've been eyeing this one for a while because it's just so cute, and I think it's going to be really fun to color. This is called Bunch of Happiness. So it's got apples and strawberries, watermelon, cherries, and all these cute little sentiments. So yeah, I can't wait. The size of this is so fun for me to color. I just love when things are big like this. I just think they're fun to color, especially with like Copics and stuff. So that's it, guys. That's all I got for you. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing. And like I said, I will link whatever I can in the video description box below. So have a great day. Have fun crafting. Bye.